it's a windy day, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't want to let this.
Just put it down on the ground. It'll be okay. Oh, this is where all the cooking's going on, eh? Hey! Oh boy, it's looking good.
This is where the party.
Oh, it's even smelling good.
Well, we only have to share the one shrimp.
One shrimp each. One shrimp each.
One shrimp each.
Oh man. Oh boy.
Good one, hon.
Yeah, that's a good one.
One for you. Take your time eating it. Save your
This is like
eggs.
Survivor. You get one shrimp each.
That's right. Did you buy that from Costco? No, Paul bought it in Canadian Tire.
What's that?
Is it easy to clean inside?
Yeah, you just...
Always a different weather. It's like a storm or something coming.